Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this super delicious, healthy and beautiful dish. It is great to team with rice, noodles and even pita bread or Chinese pancakes. Okay, let's start cooking now. 150 gram chicken meat. I used the chicken breast, but chicken thigh will work for this recipe too. Cut the chicken to thin slices. I like to cut it diagonally, so the slices will be thinner and bigger. And then shred it into long strips. Marinate the chicken with half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, half teaspoon cooking wine, half teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, quarter teaspoon salt. Mix all the seasonings well with the chicken. And then put half tablespoon oil. Mix it again well with the chicken and then set aside. 1 piece pressed hard tofu, cut it diagonally to thin slices first and then shred it into long strips. Put half teaspoon light soy sauce in, mix it well with the pressed hard tofu and then set aside. 2 shiitake mushrooms. I used fresh shiitake mushrooms, but you can also use dried shiitake mushrooms. Also cut it diagonally to thin slices and then shred it into long strips. 2 to 3 stalks of celery. Use your own best way to cut it to long strips. Four slices of carrots. Shred it into long strips too. Now we can start cooking. Put 1.5 tablespoon oil to the pan and heat up the oil. Put the chicken meat in, saute until both sides turn white color, and then push to the side. Put the shiitake mushrooms in. Saute until it is softened and the fragrance is slightly released. And then push to the side as well. Put the pressed hard tofu and the carrots in. Give them a few good toasts. And then mix everything well together. Put in 30 ml water. Put the lid on and let it cook for 1 minute. 1 minute later, open the lid, give everything a few good stirs. And then put the celery in. Mix everything well and give them a good toast for 1 minute. Finally, do a taste test. Add more salt to adjust the savory levels to your preference. Remember to give everything a few good stirs after adding the salt to mix the salt well with the ingredients. And then this dish is done. This is a classic Chinese stir-fry featuring tender julienne chicken toasted with shredded pressed hard tofu, shiitake mushrooms, celery, and carrots. This is a perfectly balanced dish with mixed vegetables and proteins from tofu and chicken. It is great to pair with rice, noodles, pita bread, and Chinese pancakes. I hope you will give this recipe a try. And if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!